How crucial is freelancing in today's fast-paced, interconnected world? In a world where the traditional 9-to-5 job is being redefined and the gig economy is on the rise, freelancing has emerged as a compelling career option. Firstly, consider the flexibility and autonomy that freelancing provides. Imagine having the power to select your projects, your clients, and even your working hours. This level of control allows you to create a perfect balance between your work and personal life, according to your own preferences and priorities. Secondly, freelancing opens the door to diversified income streams. By honing your freelancing skills, you no longer need to rely on a single employer. Instead, you can work with multiple clients simultaneously, mitigating the risk that comes with dependence on a singular income source. Thirdly, freelancing breaks down geographical barriers. Thanks to the rise of online platforms and digital communication tools, freelancers now have the opportunity to work with clients from all corners of the globe. This exposure to diverse cultures, markets, and opportunities not only enriches your professional experience but also expands your network. Fourthly, freelancing necessitates continuous learning and skill development. To stay competitive, you need to keep up with evolving trends and diversify your service offerings. This commitment to lifelong learning fosters both personal and professional growth, enhancing your expertise and marketability. Fifthly, freelancing cultivates an entrepreneurial mindset. As a freelancer, you're not just a service provider, you're a business owner. You're responsible for marketing, finance, client management, and project delivery. This entrepreneurial experience equips you with valuable business acumen, preparing you for future ventures. Next, freelancing empowers you to create your ideal work-life balance. Whether you prefer working remotely, setting your own hours, or taking frequent breaks, freelancing allows you to tailor your work environment to suit your lifestyle. This flexibility can lead to improved job satisfaction, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. Moreover, freelancing equips you with resilience and adaptability. Freelancers often face diverse challenges, from fluctuating workloads and uncertain income to demanding clients. Learning to navigate these hurdles effectively cultivates resilience and adaptability, enabling you to embrace uncertainty, think creatively, and find innovative solutions. Finally, freelancing offers the potential for financial independence. As you build your reputation, expand your client base, and increase your rates, you have the opportunity to earn a lucrative income. This financial freedom empowers you to pursue your goals, be it paying off debt, saving for retirement, or following your passions. In conclusion, learning freelancing is much more than acquiring technical skills. It's about embracing a mindset of independence, adaptability, and continuous learning. By mastering freelancing, you unlock a world of opportunities for personal and professional growth, autonomy, and fulfillment. The importance of freelancing in today's world is undeniable, and the benefits are clear.